Alright guys, today we're going to be working on a hat rack stand thing for my hat, because normally when I'm working in my shop it gets all dirty, and when it's over in the corner where I'm going to put it, it's a lot less dirty. So you just saw me cut down the back plate for the hat. Now I'm going to contour the end just like we did in the video yesterday. And again, this doesn't take too long, just about a minute. And I'm only doing one side since the top side is already done for me. There is the extra Corval from yesterday. I thought about putting a contour on it, and that's what I was originally planning to do. But you'll see later, it just doesn't work out. It is very cumbersome. So I went with a different option. Yep. Alright, so there's a crescent wrench that I have had for a long time, and I don't use it. I have 3 of the same exact one, so I'm just using that in this project. Right here, I'm trying to find hardware to attach it to the board. Alright, so there, it's attached. Looks good. Now I'm drilling the mounting holes, and here's where I mount it, right next to the door. And there's the final product. Looks pretty good. Alright, see ya.